Well, hello, and welcome to my Sunday morning studio chat. I'm Angie Knowles, a mixed media textile artist. In this episode, I want to talk to you about staying focused on your goals. There's so many things out there that can distract us from our goals. Things like Facebook, and for me, YouTube. I love YouTube, and I can easily go down that rabbit hole. Or maybe it's Instagram. Whatever it is, it can suck up a lot of our time. And that's time that we could spend working toward our goals. So it's really nice to have a few tools in your toolbox to help you combat this distraction. And today I want to talk about 3 of the things that I use to help me stay focused on my goals. The first one is to write down what it is I want to accomplish. Whether it's on a daily basis or a weekly basis, writing things down really does help you to work toward whatever it is you're trying to achieve. Keeping it up here in your head, there's so much up here in your head that it'll just get lost in all the noise. So writing it down is a big thing for me. The second thing that I do is I try to allot a time slot for it. So I like to break my day up into morning, afternoon, and evening. So I like to take that goal that I'm working toward and put it in one of those time slots. And it may not always be the same time slot, although that's a great idea if you can make it work that way, putting it in the same time slot each day. But just the act of writing it down and putting it in a time slot is a very big, that goes a long way to helping you work on and achieve that goal. So that's number 2. And number 3 is to take some time and reflect on what you've accomplished. This gives you an opportunity to make adjustments as you go, to see what's working and what's not working. And if it's not working, maybe you could tweak it a little bit. And if it is working, hey, keep doing what you're doing. So these are just 3 quick, simple things that I like to do on a regular basis to help me keep moving toward that goal. I like to keep things really simple. I'm not one for a big, complicated planner system. In my opinion, it takes more time to keep up that system, and I could be spending that time working toward my goals. So I just like to keep it simple, write down what it is I want to accomplish each day, each week, give it a time slot, and take some time to look back on what I've accomplished and see if what I'm doing is working, or if it's not working, make some fine adjustments and keep tweaking it until it does work the way that I want it to. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little short video on things that I do to keep me from being distracted by all the other noise out there in the world that's vying for our attention, and to keep me focused on my goals. If you've liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you can, hit that subscribe button and ring my bell so that you won't miss any videos that I upload. I hope I see you back here again soon, but until then, have a beautiful, beautiful day. Bye-bye now.